Hey guys, I'm here with another video. It rained. It rained, actually rained. There's drops right there. Sorry of the car. There's actually little drops. And it's all cloudy. That's why I can't make this video right. My little brother's right there. Little brother. Hopefully you guys can see him. Sure. Nope, you guys can't see him. What about now? And you can see him a little bit. But yeah, that's my little brother. I'm sorry I haven't made a video for a while. I've just been super busy. I wonder if you guys can see me. That much. So yeah, it rained and now it's all cloudy and I can't make a video. So yeah, I was going to make a video outside, but it started raining, and then my mom asked me if I wanted to kick out my brother in the car, and I'm like, sure, I don't care shit. And so, yeah. I was talking to Maddie yesterday, today's Friday. Hopefully you guys aren't seeing this on a different day. But yeah. So I was talking about Maddie. Me and Maddie were hanging out in school, and then I told her about something that I forgot to tell you guys. Julian and Dummy from Animal Jam, check Animal Jam, or Julian 2, or Pony Pals Forever. They made a video of it. I just had to vlog it, like, so badly. They got mad at each other for a little bit, and then, because they made what? What do you want? I'm not your mother. For information. I'm your sister. It's crazy. Okay, this is weird. This is off, and I'm listening to music. Look, now it's back on. Look, I like totally have it on, and then it was off. Like, seriously. I'm not playing. How the heck did that happen? That's just weird. Okay, back to the topic. I just love these little things because welcome to hurry up. Feel good Friday. Oh yeah, that's music. Yeah, that's the awesome. 5 Love. That's what the song means. 5 Love somebody. Yeah. 10155. Don't judge me. Shush. This one doesn't say anything, but I love this song. Okay, so yeah. I am in the car. I'll be sweating a little bit. It's hot in here. It's barely raining outside, so yeah. I'm just in a white shirt made. I don't know. I think they're PJs. Out in the public. I'm not gonna do anything at all, so just go like this, take care of my little brother in the car, and vlog to you guys. Because I totally have to vlog to you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna make this 5 minutes because I don't want to waste my battery. So yeah. We are in Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. We're here. Yeah, nothing exciting happening right now. Well, Panda Express has a lot of customers today. Yeah, I can see that far. You guys can't. Sorry. 98.3%. Yeah. You guys can just enjoy this music for a minute or two. Alright, so I might end this video very early, or I will just let you guys hear some music all the way home or something. Yeah. maybe if my mom comes early, I just tell Maddie and I want to turn on the car. Yeah. And that's my thing. Oh, never mind. I've been in brother right there because I got all wet. This is still wet. Still wet. Yeah. I think I was just making this 8 minutes if I was my bad. If you guys want me to start making more vlogs like this, yes. I'm thinking of just doing it. They're Latino, sorry, I have to listen to Spanish songs once a day. Like, seriously, once a day. My little brother's taking off his shoes. You can barely see his brother's shoes. Okay, so I might start making music videos, like, not music videos, like showing you how to dance. I don't know. Just random ideas I'm trying to get. And I haven't been on Instagram. Sorry if I haven't seen your Jamagram or anything. And yeah, I have to end this video for my brother's phone start crying. So yeah, there's all. I'll record if I come home. Hopefully. So yeah. Bye! Whoops.